My name is Nicole Christensen. I am the sales coordinator here at Andover, and I'm also part of purchasing. I've been with Andover about 13 years now in various roles. Customer satisfaction at Andover is definitely top priority. We carefully go through every quote request that comes in to make sure we've met every customer's needs. Communication with customers is definitely top priority, so everything's done live and not after the fact. One thing with quality is we inspect every part that leaves our facility. It's not just batch inspection. We inspect everything that goes out. Quality is super important to us. Short lead times, we make sure to have enough material on hand. We get quotes for material ahead of time so that we know how long something's going to take, so that we always have something on time. I think we do a lot of communication with our customers. We do a lot of reach outs. We want to make sure the customer is satisfied and they do want to come back to Andover. So if it needs to be a no charge replacement, we're happy to do that. If it's something that we feel we couldn't meet, but we want the customer to be happy with what they have. I think the biggest thing that sets us apart is that we're actually small. I know a lot of the companies are much larger, and sometimes it's not easy to get somebody on the phone or to have a technical question answered in real time or get a quote in a reasonable time. I think being a small company, we have a greater advantage because we can actually put time and attention to every small request. Everything's important to us, and we definitely put hands on or eyes on everything. We have multiple people on email chains so that just something doesn't get lost. So I think the fact that we're small, we can handle everything in real time.